Hello everyone. Today we will study about project budget under the project management. So project budget is a financial and personal disposal limits that are needed for the project implementation. Its creating helps to define the maximal of money, work cost and resources necessary for the certain project. The project budget is approved in a project order. The operations for the budget preparation are therefore not completed. So budget is the proxy for budget planning or project planning. In other words, when you finish laying out a budget, you should feel like you have walked through the entire project. While projects can differ dramatically, there are some common strategies when it comes to writing budgets, such as plan for the worst, identify where changes are likely to originate, and watch those areas closely. And don't forget the contingency plan and a contingency budget in case things got a bit heavier. So here are 7 tips and practice for creating a budget that support your project. The hardest project budget you will ever write is the first one. After that, you have both a model for budgeting similar projects and the experience for writing detailed budgets going forward. For your first budget, get help from an experienced team member or mentor. If you are a collaborative group, get input from everyone's work estimates. The point is, you don't have to do this alone. Important thing is learn from other projects. So find a past project that was similar in type or scope to the current one and use it a model. Some team turns to their project management tool to mine data and information on how much time and money went into the certain projects and identify where resources were added or subtracted. So the third important point is know your core cost. So start by entering cost, the absolute must have to get the project up and running. So they include team members, equipment, software, travel, etc. Next, compare those core costs to the total budget. If your cost fit under the total cost figure, you fit under the cap. So if not, you need to have that first conversation with your boss or stakeholders about how to scale the project to be completed within the budget or about expanding the budget. Then prepare to change budget estimates. Most initial estimates are just that, estimates. So with the common occurrence of scope creep, unexpected surprises and the nature of doing business, at some point in the project the budget can easily change. This fact just underscore the need to manage the project budget continuously. Project manager compares actual to date against the initial budget and then against anticipated cost towards completion at regular intervals. And then it is time to tweak the work plan to bring expenses in the line with the total budget. The fifth important point is monitor resources. So you want your team members working on the right task to their full potential. Salaries are a big component of the budget. So review resources uses weekly to make sure that everyone is working the highest priorities and putting the proper amount of hours per week into their task. A project management tool with strong resource leveling features can help manage this. Be transparent, keep your team informed to the involving budget forecast. Communicate what is expected of them to stay within budget. People might start watching how they designate hours and other costs to your project, and they will understand any request to change directions if they come up. The last important point is manage scope. So scope creep burst budgets. To avoid unplanned work that lead to cost overrun, create change order for work that goes beyond initial project requirements. With accurate projections of additional cost, seek additional funding for the project to cover change orders. Some projects are difficult to scope and budget. For example, with a construction project, you can't forecast dry road. And when implementing new software for a large company, you never know what kind of glitches will surface or when. So in either case, even an experienced project manager will be challenged when unexpected events arise. Cost overruns are common and change order become key tool. And finally, using the right project management software is one of the best way to know exactly where your project stand, to track how much time and money has been spent, and to forecast the cost and timeline for the entire project. The right tool will not eliminate cost overrun, but it can help manage them. So here we can understand how we can create a effective project budget and importance of project budget in our construction project or construction industries. So thanks for watching this video.